Hello and good evening from wherever you are. And we are live from the Sai Stadium in Kokrajhar, where Bodoland FC would be taking on Karbi Anglong Morningstar FC. And this is a wonderful setting, the 11th match of the 134th edition of the Indian Oil Durand Cup, which is powered by SBI and Coal India, organized by the Indian Armed Forces and supported by Government of Assam and BTR. Here we are underway here, attacking from the left to the right of your screen would be the Karbi Anglong Morningstar, and on the white are the Bodoland FC. Try and put some early pressure, space on the left, coming in from the wide area. The right footer, that doesn't bother the keeper, who is absolutely focused there. They're moving into these spaces being left vacant, but here's a chance for the counter. They're breaking loose. Once again, Joseph, he's got that sudden spark, that acceleration.
That's the mistake from the youngster, Manabir, and his eagerness to try and make up for that mistake. Yeah, put that challenge in. Rightly, I think, has picked up a yellow card. This is the first challenge. He rode that challenge, and here he just went to ground. He won the ball, but I think it's in the follow-through that he's brought Joseph down.
Eyes lit up, the supporters there. Right for grounder! Generated that amount of power. It was brilliant, but defended well finally, Joseph Bempa.
Wow, what a strike that was from Joseph Bempa. Full of power. Goalkeeper has set his wall up, expecting the curler. Left himself space for the shot. But I think that's good goalkeeping. He's recognized that if you're going to try and beat me,
oh, again, out of nothing, this man was looking for that goal. Joseph, he gets his name on the score sheet, and what a way to get it. He acknowledges the crowd erupting into joy. There's a lot of support for the Morningstar as well. And Karbi Anglong are up against the Bodoland FC. And what a turnaround.
Yeah, you could say against the run of play. Just saw it moments earlier from a set piece. They had their best chance, and once again, it was just a hopeful long ball forward, and a defensive error from the Bodoland defenders. And once he got himself in that position, Joseph did ever so well.
Here come the arriving in numbers. Karbi Anglong Morningstar, very confident. Once again, just tipped away. And the right foot off the ricochet, playing that second ball, and that was curling. Took a bit of dip there. Having a very testing time, this Birkang. Koyari here, and that is the sheer quality we were talking about. Remember the name. He is called Kausmar Koyari, or Gigi, and that's the equalizer. What a great way to celebrate the one who has done so very well for the Indian side at the under-19 and under-20 level, and he can score in almost every game. So back again, the Bodoland. Absolutely, that was a wonderful response from Koyari. A forward ball, far too long. Again, cutting central. The Colombian was trying to go to the far post. Came so close. Pedro curls that in. Could be a chance. Wasted. Having just blocked the angle there, Ballister had moved in. But just failing to get that defining touch. That could have been the lead goal. Again, lovely movement coming in. There are options in the middle. Should be finished. Could have put the game to bed. What a great save this time from Birkang Daimari. How could he miss it from that position? Unbelievable. And Sujit this time keeps in play, keeping possession. Bodoland, a lovely cross that could have gone in, and it is the Colombian scores. Robinson rendering his name, his first goal on the Indian soil, and what a great movement from the left. The Bodoland with so much of high press, and they ultimately being rewarded through this Colombian. Scoreline changes. Karbi Anglong, Morningstar Football Club 1, Bodoland FC 2. This could be dangerous. Again opening up. Left foot! Could have been finished through the far post. The defense certainly caught unaware. And this man could have been a super sub. Arjun Mardi. And that's curled in. Birkang again. He's never been good with the crosses, but finally, the watchful referee Surajit Das blows the whistle, and it's again a very hard-fought victory by the home side Bodoland FC, because a full-time score here. Karbi Anglong, Morningstar FC 1, Joseph the scorer, and Bodoland FC 2, Koyari giving them the equalizer, and Robinson the Colombian giving them that lead goal.